Dodge that belonged to the young mother. A diaper bag with bottles of beer stuffed inside. We're told that 19-year-old Evie Hatfield running across 4 lanes of Interstate 55 with her baby off her hip in the car. We spoke to one of the fathers today, now at least temporarily has
Keegan.
Little Johnny, he says, had trouble sleeping this morning after being in the crash with his mother.
No, Keegan. No, Keegan. Get over here. Come here. I saw you steal that. Give it to me. Give it to me. You can't steal that. Let go of it. Keegan.